A million might seem like a lot of money and an unachievable goal, especially if you are in your 20s and just starting your career. But becoming a millionaire is not an impossible task, and here are 5 tips to help you begin the journey towards your first million today. 1. The right path. The first step is to choose what works for you, what will align with your goals, passion, and what has an earning potential. This is a huge decision, so sit on it, take your time, do some research, and choose wisely. The right path must include one of the following. It should either pay you very well for your time, or it should be something you can leverage, which is basically that you can make money even if you are not physically present or working on something personally. You can do so by outsourcing, hiring people to work on your behalf, or building a product. 2. Learn a high-paying skill. Learning a high-paying skill will give you an edge over other people around you. Becoming an expert in whatever you do would help you scale your income and open doors to better market opportunities. Some of the high-paying skills are copywriting, content creation, marketing, and web development. 3. Direct your energy towards increasing your earning potential rather than scarcity management and saving up more. Think big, earn big. One can't deny the fact that savings are important, but you can't become a millionaire by living in scarcity and saving every penny. Instead, the right approach would be to focus on increasing your earning potential. 4. Dedicate a portion of your earning to investment, and investment only every week. There is no substitute for discipline and consistency. It takes time, patience, and deliberate effort to grow your money. Hence, you should put aside some portion of your income towards investments every week, if not every day. It might not be possible for you to put aside $100 every week, but you can start with just $5 a week. Remember, this is not a sprint but a marathon, and you must start slow today to speed up tomorrow. 5. Mirror the millionaire. Your vision becomes your reality, and it's your responsibility to create that vision and put yourself in places where you're surrounded by millionaires. Go to some expensive restaurant for coffee. The coffee there might cost you $10 or $15, which is $10 higher than your usual order, but that won't matter in the long run because you'd learn how rich people behave, talk, dress. You'll observe what they do and how they do it. And the extra $10 on your coffee would give you $100 worth of inspiration and insights.